Meron.
Hey guys! Ba't ganon? Energy?
Yeah.
Hindi naman sasalita si Yana eh.
So, Filipino food right now. That's it.
Dapat narrate ko yung Filipino food.
Because I have more soup. I can make this soup.
Ano na si Margarita?
Super fun.
Ha?
So we got Royal and we got Fudge Bar. We have Lucky Me and we have Chips, a Filipino, and you know we're Australia. What? Seriously? I'm starting with my noodles. Where's my soup? Oh my god, wait guys.
Naghinala ang biktima na may masamang pinagbalak ng suspect kaya ikinandado niya ang bisaya at inuulit. Pero biglang inutok ng suspect ang baril at ang papapasok sa bitana kaya binutok ng bisaya ng biktima ang puso at tatakutan na palabas na sila ng talagang suspect at sabi nitang pumasok sa loob ng laman ng dalaga at nagkabalyakan sila ng suspect
My lips,
na
guys.
nagdulot ng sugat sa kanyang ulo. Mabilis na tumakas ang salarin na makita ang paparating. Ang mga security
There's so much noodles here. And they're still in the ground.
habang patuloy ang investigasyon at ng Candelaria
I can eat this.
laban sa
Ano ba na finish?
Man.
na pinalala pa ng high-five na puruhan tuloy.
Uy, umayali ka pa eh.
I thought it was finished.
Ayun.
Yung putot dito sa bahay. Sabi ni, tito ko. Yung putot dito sa bahay. Ayun kasi, lagay ka ba? Lagay ka. That's so funny. I thought it was like... Wait, get more tissue.
Hindi na kapag-isda kayo sa audio, kaya ginamit niya muna ang bakal. Ang mga tao sa
Guys, you know, right now we're in Filipinos. I'm Philippines.
Mag-isang linggo na kasi na umaabot sa 2 hanggang 3 talatahan ang baha sa kanila.
That's why the TV's, Tagalog. We're in the Philippines. And it's so cool. Please guys like and follow and share and support us. It's subscribe, not support. I subscribe. Please guys, make this 1,000 videos. Gusto mo ako makinila? Gamit Sorry guys, I cough because I laugh. Pagyan ako. Napasok ako. Napasok ako guys. That's the only first word that I said from Tagalog. Napasok ako. Guys, what is napasok ka or napasok? Pasok. Like, it's being read here. Like, pasok. Like, you burn your face. I said I burned my lips. Oh, DC! This makes a popping sound when you put it in soup. I promise you. Oh, yeah. Well, no. My dog is up on the table. Huh? Stop lying. Oh. I thought you said here. For dessert, we're having Fudge Bar. This is my kind of
Puno, no?
I know.
Dapat pinag-isama natin para magkasupastik.
Oh my god. Wait, guys. Oh my god, that's important.
May panggampot lang sa akin.
Baho ah. Ano yan? Hindi ba baho?
Ikaw kaling.
You can eat it. Pwede mo ikain.
Ha?
Pwede mo ikain. I'll just buy me one. Sorry guys. It's just our helpers. Our helpers.
So, Andre, bumili ka? Bumili ka rin? Wala?
You know our helpers, they speak Tagalog because they came from
Direct mo kay Andrea. Ay, bukas si Andrea magtira sa'yo. Ibigyan ko siya.
You know we have forks. Alright, we can spoon.
Makakali?
This is spoon. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but these are like, this is better. See that?
Ang ano?
Why am I here?
Because, hindi naman ako ng trash bag. Nalagyan ko rin na maduming daga. Tapos, nakabay ko kanina. Para may sutok. Oo.
Ano mo nadala ka?
Lagi na nine. Kaya mo. Empty.
Ha? Hindi, nagtanggal ako basura. Ito ko.
Oh, no. Wala na. Malay kanina. When I put it up, it's still.
Yung sana ngayon. Sana may naisuot ka.
Oh my god. It's okay. But I don't like the background because it's Filipino people. You know, we're just staying in somebody's house that we know. You know, staying in our friend's house that we just met like a few days ago from Philippines. And we said, can we live there? 'Cause, you know, we don't have a house. And we're gonna fly back to California. Filipino noodles is super good. I said yucky me. I mean lucky me. Lucky me. I said yucky me. So this is good. Hot. Oh my god, I have 15%. We're gonna be stopping soon, so probably, yeah. That's spicy. I mean hot. Yan na look. So good. Yeah. Guys, if you didn't notice, her hair is red. Mhm. Girl. Guys, we have another friend came from Germany, but they're just visiting us here. So, she can't come. No, I'm in the Philippines, remember? They were going to come home. That's what I said. So, we're going to come home. And our friend cannot come because she's German and she sleeps so early. We're gonna do some TikTok upstairs. 5% remaining. Okay, bye. Bye. See ya, y'all. We're gonna